So today I'm going to show you how to install the JK Trailgater made by Outback Adventures. We'll put that up there. This is actually a really easy install. So the first thing you want to do is you want to remove this thing. I've already done it, but you want to remove this. If you look here, this has got clips along the bottom. See these? Those are attached into the bottom part of the Jeep. Here, here, and here. Just shove a screwdriver up in there and kind of give it a little forceful pop, and they'll just pop right out. The top parts are almost hinged in, so you want to, pop from the bottom, and then you can just lift it right out. Really easy. This is installed with these little spacers. See these? Okay? These spacers fit right into these holes. Now, before I put them in the holes, I want to expand them out a little bit. So I'm just going to take my screwdriver, kind of push on it like that. See, I'm kind of spacing it out, just stretching that out just a little bit. Okay? Once I've stretched it out, just put it right in the hole. Okay? I use the back of my screwdriver to push it all the way into place. See that? So it goes in these four, okay, not the last one, these four holes here. And then you put one in the top rail here and the rail down there. You kind of see in the instructions. And just follow the instructions to show you exactly where to put them. So again, I gap each one. Push it in. Lock it into place. Do the next one. Four, and now the two bottom ones. And again, this goes in the far right side of the top slat, and then the far left side of the second slat over, just like that. You can kind of hear it click as it goes in. The screws come with washers, so drop your washer right under your screw, okay? You can prep all your screws. So I'm using my little organizer in the back here as a place to store them as I go. All right, so this table, you pull this out. There's a corresponding one on the other side. Just drop it down. Now to make it easier and lighter, I'm gonna remove the cutting board. And this is a bit of a challenge if you're trying to do it by yourself. So it would be nice to have a friend with you to help you out. And once I get the other one done, or a second one in, it will allow me to free up my hands to do the rest. Now with all those in place, I can loosely put in all the rest. So the reason you want to do it nice and loose is because it gives you the ability to kind of adjust things. You can see right now, if I move it left, right, up, down, you've got a little bit of space, okay? If you tighten these all the way down, you'd eliminate your ability to kind of move it and adjust it to get that exact spot. So, you can move it down a little bit, find that right hole, okay? And then get it started. Okay, do the same thing over here. Find that right hole. There's a little indentation there, and I'm lining up the tip of my screw with that and then digging into it, and as I turn, it spreads it. So with all four kind of loosely installed, now I can get the bottom. See, I can move it left or right. I want to line it up so the hole on this side lines up perfectly with the other side there. So once you got all the bolts in, you want to go through and hand tighten them all. You want to tighten them until they really just don't turn anymore. Okay, that'll help reduce rattling. It's hand tighten, but you don't want to go too far because you don't want to strip them. Okay, hand tighten them until they really just don't go anymore. Work your way all the way around. Then, voila, it's done. Last thing you need to do, just slide your cutting board into there. Okay. Now this cutting board can go this way or that way. Okay. Gives you a lot of extra workspace. Once it's all the way in, lift this up, click it into place. Yeah. Is that just push closed? Yeah, sometimes you gotta pull like that. There we go. And you can see, oh, that's what the problem was. The cutting board needs to be, see how this cutting board's not all the way lined up? Over here, it's not gonna close up because the cutting board needs to come in like that. There, now it's clicked in place. So now when you wanna use it, you simply grab these two rings, pop it open, voila. Slide open, start working. Can't wait to use this. And that is how you install the JK Trailgaiter from Outback Adventures. Have fun out there.